back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you never miss out on another video. I'm uploading every single day in the month of December, and today I just got home from Christmas shopping and I was gonna make some tea. Specifically, it's like Indian chai, and I wanted to just make a quick video and show you guys how I make it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off, I have 2 cups of water right here, and then I'm going to turn my stove on to the highest setting. And then I have 2 cups of milk, and I'm just gonna pour that in there. So this makes enough tea for about 4 people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm making it for me and my boyfriend, and then the rest I'm just gonna save it for later, which you can also do too. And then next, you're gonna need loose leaf tea. Now the one I like, you can get from the Indian store, and I'll leave it linked down below from Amazon if you guys want this one. It's Red Label Loose Leaf Black Tea. This is really, really good. It tastes like authentic Indian tea. And I add a bunch, so this is like to your taste of how strong you want your tea to be. I'm gonna add about 4, I think I'm gonna add about 5 spoons. I know it seems like a lot, but it makes it taste really nice and rich. Okay, so the next thing is you're either gonna need honey or sugar. I'm using brown sugar. I'm not gonna use honey today, but I wanted to show you guys options. Okay, so you're just gonna put however much sugar that you guys want. Now, I got a lot of hate for my other tea video for putting a lot of sugar, but if you guys know Indian chai, then it's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna put a lot of sugar, but you guys can put however much you want. And then you're gonna need cinnamon. This is optional. If you guys have cinnamon sticks, you can use that, or if you have cinnamon powder, you can throw that in there too. And then next, I kind of slice up a little bit of fresh ginger. You could use ginger powder, and then I'm just gonna throw that in there. Okay, next I have a handful of cloves, and I'm gonna throw that in there for some really nice clove flavor. The last thing I'm gonna put in there is, I don't know how to say this in, okay, it's called cardamom or cardamom, something like that. But I'll leave all these things linked down below, the names and also where you can get them. It's really easy to find at your Indian store, but you can get it online too. Basically now, you're just gonna wait for this to boil. You wanna make sure that it comes to a boil, and then you know that your tea is done. So now we just sit back and wait. Okay, so after it comes to a boil, you want to take it off the heat, and then now it's ready to pour in the cups. So we're going to use a strainer, and I'll show you guys how I pour it into cups. Okay, so usually I just use pot holders, and I pick up the whole thing and I kind of just put it in there, but for not everybody can do that. It's kind of dangerous. It's super hot, so I'm just going to be using a bowl to scoop it out and drop it in there. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All ready. It's super hot right now, so I'm just gonna wait until it cools down, and then it's ready to drink. So you do want to make sure that your tea is like this color. That way it tastes good, and you know that it's done and you did it right. And then yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any more requests for the rest of December, leave it down below and I'll get started on those. And make sure you're subscribed and you click the bell. That way you're always notified and you don't miss out another video. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.